Yesterday, I was working really hard on my graduation project, and suddenly I felt very sleepy and want to go to bed immediately. So I grabbed my electric brush and wanted to brush my teeth.
Oh, not.
Believe it or not, shit really happens. So what we're gonna do first is to open up the little brush. Can't believe it got so wet down there. This little guy looks great. It must smell good as well. I broke these little two wires when I tried to open up the brush. But no worries, I'll solder it up later. When I mounted 3.7 volt on the board, one of the chip got burned. So I have to remove it and replace it using a heat blower. I guess everything is done now, so I have to solder up all the wirings, including the wireless charger. Now install the battery.
Endurance rotation is 67, 68 RPM.
Okay, get ready to match our spin with the retro thrusters.
It's not possible.
No, it's necessary.
Endurance is hitting stratosphere.
She's got no heat shield.
Paige, you ready?
Ready. Cooper, this is no time for caution.
Paige, if I black out, you take a stick. Guard, you ready to engage the docking mechanism?
Endurance is starting to heat.
20 feet out. I need 3 to...
Ah, it's working now. I can finally brush my teeth. Oh, what is that? Looks familiar.